All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to actually show you how to set a navigation waypoint in your Tesla. So, what you want to do first is you want to start by tapping the navigation icon on your Tesla's touchscreen. So, what this will do is it will bring up the map and the routing options, the different routing options that we have. So, what you want to do is in the search bar, okay, in the search bar you just want to enter your primary destination, and then once you've typed that in you want to select navigate to actually begin the route. Okay, so also to add a waypoint you just want to tap on the three dot menu, guys. Tap on the three dot menu or add a waypoint option that appears on your route card, right? Then you just want to search for the location that you want to appear and on your route card and the location that you want to stop at along the way. So just select that and choose add as waypoint. Then guys, your Tesla will update the route to include the waypoint. You can just review the new route to make sure everything looks good, guys. And that's it, guys. You are all set to enjoy your trip with stops along the way. And if you want to upgrade your ride even further, guys, check out the link in the description. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe